Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious air fryer French dip wraps. They're super quick and easy, and they're perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. For the ingredients, you'll need flour tortillas, sliced roast beef, provolone, horseradish sauce, melted butter, crispy fried onions, and au jus gravy mix. Start by preheating your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 5 minutes. Next, prepare the gravy mix according to the package instructions. Warm the tortillas in the microwave for 20 to 25 seconds, covered by a damp paper towel. Next, prepare the wraps by placing a tortilla on a flat surface and then spreading on a layer of horseradish sauce, then adding the cheese, crispy onions, and roast beef. Then roll the wrap up like a burrito. Here's another angle. Once the wraps are prepared, brush the outside with melted butter. Place the wraps into the air fryer and air fry for 5 minutes until golden brown. Be sure to check on them halfway through. Once the wraps are done, go ahead and brush them with some additional butter. Cut and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.